see.
ECU, right?
Yeah.
So we had a question about this.
Sure. What's up?
Should we do the ECU pull out last, just to make sure we have no exhaust leaks, so we can like start the car, and then we'll just pull the ECU out at the end of the day?
It's up to you.
Might be. I mean, it's no.
Optimal. I mean, in a professional opinion, I would say when the job's done, take the ECU out and then send it out, because like you said, exhaust leaks and
Yeah.
you want to make sure there's nothing
We'll
leaking.
do that. Also, I had to. Go. You're gonna be on a lip. Give it a little rock.
We're going to take off both wheels anyways for the whole job, so.
All right.
So because are we going to be yanking it from down there, or are we pulling up top?
The catalysts come out from the top. The heat shields usually stay in there. So what you do is you disassemble the heat shields while it's down there, and then you split them, and then you pull the cat out through the top. Usually.
Okay. We're going to see how that works out.
Yeah.
Good. All right.
Yeah.
All right. You want to grab it?
Got it.
Are they all the same length bolt?
What's that?
Are they all the same length bolt?
Yeah. Yeah, you can mix those ones up.
Slow.
All right.
All right. So try to look around and see which ones came.
Now is we just have to undo these clips. Usually just get like a pick and put it in there and kind of spread it. And then we just have to undo these. And then this whole assembly should come out. I don't know if you want to put some tape over here. Usually what we do is we tape up these areas because it's just a high traffic area.
Yeah, not a bad idea.
This is actually, you know, I just worked on one and it did not have that. That is
What
really
year was the car?
19.
This is a 20. So maybe that's an update, or maybe it's a convertible thing.
Yeah.
The other side? Sure. You know, the care point is the alternator. We just gotta cover that positive terminal because that is gonna
spark it out.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll just put a rag over it or something.
Yeah, and then
I'm wedged.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Keep going. Yeah,
Yep,
keep
that helped.
wiggling it. Wiggle it just a little bit. Yes.
Yeah.
That's it.
and then you can push the wiggle.
Two cats.
Yeah.
One down.
Yeah. Well, this is apparently the hard one.
Extra shit.
Tell me when to pull.
See if you can pull a little bit. Or that's not right, right?
No.
Yeah, there's a tab right here caught on the spring.
Turn it.
You want
You got it. Dina,
coming.
Give it some Yankees. You got it.
I got it.
Woo, nice.
Bob's your uncle, right?
That's
That's what the British say.
Yeah.
Bob's your motherfucking uncle.
Easy.
Easy
It's a little
breeze.
thinner, right?
Huh?
You look a little thinner? Doesn't line up with that, right?
Yeah.
It's like this has to.
Push down further.
Yeah, like I'm gonna hit it with a fucking hammer.
I can push it down.
Yeah, I'm just gonna whack it. Because if we move the shield, we should be okay.
Yeah.
There it is, right?
Yep.
Okay. Not even on the seam. Okay. Can you shine down there more? There we go. pry bar. Ratchet, ratcheting wrench.
Happy?
Oh, I'm happy with it. It's loud and obnoxious, just like a supercar should be.